to Tidmouth Sheds. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. I love that. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Just spin the wheel to rotate the track. Good job! Good job! We all love your train set. Which toy will you choose now? Let's go find that toy. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the lava quarry. Left leads to Cannonball. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Forward leads to Knapford Station. Left leads to Cannonball Curve. Knapford Station's just ahead. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Where to now? Forward leads. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Forward lead. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Left leads to Cannonball Curve. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. What type of wagon should we pull? Well done! Great! Amazing! Which way do you want to go? Left leads. We're almost at the town square. Forward leads to the town square station. I love that. Left leads to McCall's Farm is coming up. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Good job! Just drag the sheep and drop them in their pen. That's perfect. We all love your train set.